Sir.
अबे बाप की बुताता जा मैं मरा अबे बाप की बुताता now this is not good. Banki Butta, I know you are my son. But that is the reason I cannot make you, Prime Minister. People will start saying nepotizing, no? So I thought of appointing someone else, huh? I have already chosen the ideal candidate.
Sir,
Kauda! Someone who has no ambitions. Someone who is loyal to me. Who has given up all hope for my chair. Someone who always listens to me. Always does the right thing by me. Someone who hasn't messed up anything in the last 10 years because he hasn't done anything in the last 10 years. Someone whose appointment as Prime Minister will be totally unexpected and therefore a master stroke. My choice for Prime Minister is Vikramanikawa Singh.
තාති ඔයා මට කිව්වනේ කවදාරි මේක දෙනවා කියලා මම දුදේ අම්මිටත් කිව්වාද මට අගමැති වෙන්න පුළුවන් කියලා
Buddha, you have to not only think about Agamati, you have to think about my Putua Buddha.
මං මේක අම්මිට කියනවා
කවුරුත් මේක අම්මිට කියන්නේ Buddha, listen to me. I know that you are ideal candidate, but you are still young. Uncle Vikrama, he will keep the chair nice and warm for you. So anyway, Uncle Vikrama, no children, no. So you are naturally next in line, huh? This is my master plan, Buddha.
Ayo, sir. Now I will have to give up the opposition leader post.
Super idea, sir. Nikam Singh becomes Agamati. I become opposition leader and your chair is getting closer and closer. Super.
Ajit Lavdas. Totalusta. You are not going to become opposition leader.
Yes. I will remain as opposition leader also.
Become How can you be opposition leader and prime minister at the same time, mate?
Ayo, sir, can do both jobs, not much work.
That may be true, but it is wrong, Vikrama. It is an abuse of the system, no? It is like, what is that, like playing with yourself.
I don't think it's playing with yourself, it's playing against yourself.
No, playing with yourself, man, because now, like, see, you have down board, and you sit on this side and you move. Then you get up and you go to that side. You move again. Then you come back and you sit on this side, you move, Sometimes, afternoon time, Bernard also not come to play. So, like that. But very confusing, you don't know who is winning that way, yeah. Anyway, don't worry. I will sort out all these problems. Lavdas,
Sir.
I don't want you to become the cow dung in the milk bucket. Sir? Kirimuttiයට ගොම අඩිත්තක් දැම්මොත් කිරි ටික ඔක්කොම ඉවරයි. Don't be the goma.
ඒක කරන්න බෑ සර්. අපි අලි පාටියේ අපේ නායකයා සර්ට තෝරන්න බෑ. Opposition leader must be elected by us. If you want to make Nikam Singh your prime minister, you can do that. If he accepts, we will appoint a new leader. Finally, මට නිකමා පාටියෙන් පන්න ගන්නත් පුළුවන්.
Basa? You said Basa to me, huh? This is what I say, Western thinking. නයාගේ පැටියක් ගැරන්ඩියක් කරන්න බෑ කියලා.
I completely agree with you, Your Excellency.
How can you agree with me when you do not even know what I've said, man?
Your Excellency, if there's one thing I have learnt in all these years, it's that not knowing what you said or not understanding what you said is not a prerequisite to agreeing with what you said. You understand?
See, Asik clan politics needs more people like you, my friend. When I said to this fellow was, "Naga patiya garandiya karanna bæ." That is why you get the snake of the baby. You cannot turn it into the baby of the garandiya. Yeah. Lavdas,
Sir.
20 years ago you could have done anything you wanted. You remember when your father was in power, what he did? He sacked everyone who went against him. You be thankful that Vikram hasn't sacked you. You're not even grateful for that. That is why you're going and telling your fellows to attack him, no? I say, here, don't get the pussy to bring down Jack's nuts. Ara balalung lawa kossata baan hadanne.
Sir, madam kata karna sir.
Hamine. Oh, Hamine. Mom poddak busy. Hamine, mom me parcel. Monkey puta andanawa. Right, I will come and sort it out later, Hamine, mom. Right now, you want to know what I'm doing right now, huh? I am scolding that Ajit Lavdas fellow. Kodakin. Lavdas, my darling.
Sir.
ආමිනේ ඔයාගේ අම්මගේ සැප දුක් කාලා.
අම්මා හොඳින් ඉන්නවා සර්.
හොඳින් ඉන්නවලු ආමිනේ. Hold on. අම්මා මතක් කරා කියලා කියන්නේ. Right, Hamine, now I will go. I have some things to do. No, Hamine, I cannot make him Prime Minister. No, he has to learn. You can't just become Prime Minister like that. First you have to be MP, then you have to be Minister. ඊට පස්සේ ජනාධිපතිවරයෙක්ගෙන් සරම ගැලවෙන්න බැනුම් අහන්න ඕනේ. පෙළපාලි යන්න ඕනේ. Opposition එකේ ඉන්න ඕනේ. Hamine, that is the training. නැත්තම් මගේ පුටුව ගත්ත දාට හරි අමාරුයි. Hamine, I have just come up with a brilliant idea. Right. I will sort everything out in the evening. Hurry. Okay then. Cherry. Okay. Hello, Hamina. Other end of camera. Hello.
So, mama, camera fitting order karan nanne sir.
Ara, කොත්තුවිල් ලොරිය ගෙන්න ගැන. You know what I will do if you try to become opposition leader?
නෑ සර්.
Your party has 40 fellows, I have 160. I will break my party to two. 113 will form the government, other 47 will form another party, sit in the opposition and vote for the government. Then my second party will be the biggest opposition party. I will make my son its leader and make him leader of the opposition.
Sir, you can't do that, sir.
Why not, Puta? Check the constitution. I can do it if I want. මට මේ රටේ කරන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් තියෙනවා. බැරි දේවල් නෑ. You are the son of a former president who wants to become opposition leader, no? I will give the opposition the son of a current president as its leader. Much better.
Episode බලන්න sir. Sirගේ නුවණ දරා ගන්න බැරුව මූ full අංජබදල් වෙලා sir.
Oh, you are just a dole walks, travel talks man.
Sir.
කතා දෝලාවෙන් ගමන පයින්.
Now you go.
අනේ සර්, සර් යන්න කලින් සින්දුවක් කියලා යන්නද?
අනේ මේ ලව්දාස උඹ යන්නේ තැන සින්දු කිව්වයි කියලා උඹට ඡන්ද වැඩි වෙන්නේ නැහැ.
Come on, Nasir. Remember this part. If you come against me in presidential election, Mama Neme, even the opposition leader will be campaigning for me. Give us Hindu.
මයික් එකක් දෙන්න කවුරුන්
සර්.
කළ කාලේ තාම මතක් වෙනවා හැම එකාම ගෞරවයෙන් මටත් කතා කෙරුවා තාත්තගෙන් යපුණු එවුන් මටත් කැපිලි දැම්මා ටික ටික මන් ටික ටික නෝන්ඩි වෙනවා ටික ටික නෝන්ඩි වෙනවා පාටි එකේ නායකත්වේ ගන්න හැදුවා තමයි ඡන්දෙට මං පස්ස ගැහුවා ඒක ඇත්ත තමයි ආසයි ඒත් ටිකක් බයයි මගේ බෝඩ්ඩුවේ නමයි ඡන්ද නැතුව පුටුව දෙන්න ඒක බොහොම හොඳයි ඔහොම තමයි ආසේ ලන්තේ ඔහොම තමයි ඡන්ද නැතුව පුටුව දෙන්නේ දවල් වීග තමයි ඔහොම තමයි ආසේ ලන්තේ ඔහොම තමයි ඡන්ද නැතුව පුටුව දෙන්නේ දවල් වීග තමයි තාත්තගේ කාලේ මට සර්කිව්වා තමයි ඒ කටින්ම දැන් මගේ පටි රෝල් කෙරුවා තමයි දත් සෙට් එක බඩට යන්න දෙකක් දෙන්න හිතේ හැබැයි ගෝරිවලට පැටලෙන්නට දැන් පොඩ්ඩක් බයයි ඔහොම තමයි ආසේ ලන්තේ ඔහොම තමයි පුතාට සැලකිලි දෙන්නේ තාත්තා හින්දා තමයි ඔහොම තමයි ආසේ ලන්තේ ඔහොම තමයි පුතාට සැලකිලි දෙන්නේ තාත්තා හින්දා තමයි
Right. Now go. Remember, stay in line. In politics, your turn will come. Hey, Lavda sir. Mic ka dila pala yan.
Is that true, Your Excellency?
Are you mad, Western thinking? In politics, if you stay in line, you'll always be at the back of the line. Huh? To be a success, you'll jump the line. Or like I did, you make your own line.
Your Excellency, would there not be a constitutional crisis if you appointed Mr. Nikam Singh as the Prime Minister and your son as the opposition leader?
Oh, no. Small change and everything under control. Huh?
Your Excellency, I mean, can you justify another change to the constitution? I mean, haven't you tinkered with it enough?
You know the problem with this constitution, Western thinking? They did not consult me when they wrote it.
ජජස්ට ආය පාරක් කචල් එකක් දානවා සර් දැන් ජජස්ට කියනවා සර් පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ ජජස්ලා වස් කරන්න බෑලු
That is a fine thing, no? I appointed them, I can have them sanctify one.
Sure. Your Excellency, Parliament will object. You can't just sack judges.
Object? Yes, my biggest objector. Vikrama, would you like an independent judiciary or one that falls in line with politicians?
Judiciary must always fall in line with us, sir. That is very important. But sir, if you are fighting with the judiciary, the people will expect me to oppose it.
Right, so Vikrama, you do what you normally do, man. Say something that no one can understand. You know, every day shift your position slightly. Quote some major parliamentary procedure. And then when the crucial time comes, you go abroad. Huh?
Can't do that, sir. My fellows are already upset that I got my term extended. They are demanding their pound of flesh and expecting me to do my job properly.
If I may interject.
Don't say bad word in front of Luka.
Say, Katalapa. What do you
Don't your party members have a right to expect you to do your job? I mean, comparing them to the Merchant of Venice seems a bit unfair, Mr. Nikam Singh.
Another brilliance plan. Vikrama, why don't you just go on a small holiday to Venice, man? Yeah. By the time you come back, you'll replace the judge, all done and dusting. Yeah?
Oh, sir. I will do what you say, sir. But please, Karla sir, Mama Beranna, if something backfires. I am tired of always being the scapegoat.
නිකම් සිංහ මහත්තයාගේ පැත්තේ ඉන්න සර් මන්ත්‍රීවරු විතරක් නෙමෙයි අර හුරතලේට ඇති කරන එළු පැටියක් පැනලා ගිහිල්ලා සර් escape goat
Remember this. Have I ever let anything happen to you? You have to remember that since I became the Lokka, you are the only other politician to have successfully kept his job. Don't worry. Don't worry. Huh?
මේ අපි අද දැන් මේ ස්පීච් to the nation එකක් දෙනවද සර්?
අනේ නෑ සිරිල් ඕනේ. මම මේ බජට් එක ප්‍රිපෙයාර් කරලා හඳුනග බිල් එක සෝට් අවුට් කරලා කැබිනට් ෂෆල් කරලා ප්‍රයිම් මිනිස්ටර් අපොයින්ට් කරේ ඔක්කොම නිකන් මගේ කැසිල්ලටනේ.
සමන් ලෑස්ති කරන්. හරි සර් අර ලෑස්ති සර් ඔක්කොම ලෑස්ති.
තාති මෙන්න constitution change file එක.
Uda, you understand what I'm trying to do here, no?
ඔව් තාති. ඔයා කියන දේ අනිත් අය විතරක් නෙමෙයි. මමත් අහන්න ඕනේනේ. මාස්ටර් ප්ලෑන් එක දන්නේ ඉතින් තාති විතරයිනේ.
Celestine sir.
No.
Check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My fellow countrymen, countrywomen, and the country children of our sick land. Yesterday, I opened a brand new airport for you. I have now made it easier for you to go abroad. And I also made it easier for the abroad people to come to our sick land. Now, before I continue, I would like to congratulate our newly elected cricketing board Lokka. Even I can learn something from you, my friend. Your biggest success is not winning election, no. Your biggest success is making sure that your name was the only name on the ballot paper. Brilliance. Now, in the last few days, we had a few kachal. We had some educating problems, petrol kachal, ministers all trying to get better ministries. Lot of people are lobbying for the post of Prime Minister. I also had to put up with the Treasury and the local bank fighting. And the Parliament and the judges fighting as to who is bigger. I am going to solve all this with one stroke. I am changing the constitution. Also, I will be creating some new ministries to better serve the people's needs. And I am seriously thinking of removing the hostility that exists in our political system by appointing a member of the opposition to the post of Prime Minister. Please welcome my good friend and now Prime Minister, Wickramasinhe Thamasinga.
Mage ආදරණීය ladies and gentlemen, as Prime Minister, I propose the following amendment to the Constitution as its 40th amendment. It is hereby resolved that no institution or office in Nasik land is supreme over one another except the institution of the presidency, which is supreme over everything and everyone else. The concept of powers and checks and balances are a foreign concept designed to weaken Nasik land, and we will reject it forthwith. Puswedilla Utumananta Jaya Veva. Also, now that I am Prime Minister again, I will continue to do the same things that I have been doing all these years. People must remember that someone like me will be remembered for two things: the things I did, and more importantly, the things I didn't do. Thank you.
Very good, Vikram, thank you. In your case, the things that you don't do are so helpful to all of us. Now, soon, because I'm working so hard for my people, as I give you the 40th Amendment, I will also give you the 41st Amendment. It is hereby resolved that from now on, following rules apply to all important positions in RC plan, including Prime Minister and Justice Chief, but excluding Presidency. Section 1. President may appoint 2 people to the same position and they shall be called joint person holding position. Like joint Prime Minister, joint Justice Chief, etc. Section 2. Appointment to all important positions shall be valid only for 1 week. After which, if you have not got your appointment letter for the next week, you are deemed to be sacked. This is so that more people can serve in important positions. Right. Mata Jayaveva. Now this next song is for all my people of our Sikland. Everybody have to enjoy it. Everybody.
System make a shake up කරලා व्यवस्थाව modify කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා push වෙරිල්ල මොලේ මෙන්න lifetime rush කරන්න system make a shake up කරලා व्यवस्थाව modify කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා හඳ නැගුමට judges ලා ටික road block දසලා ignore karala judges la MPs la writ notice yavala system crash vela hinda reboot එක දාමලා ව්‍යවස්ථාව modify කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා la 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 व्यवस्थावे වෙනස් යමක් කරලන්නට සිදුව සැනින් දෙනිස් නගර හැඩ බලන්න නිකම් සිංහ පැනලා ගිහින් සිස්ටම් එක ෂේක් අප් කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා ලා 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 පුස් වෙඩිල්ල මොලේ මෙන්න lifetime රච කරන්න සිස්ටම් එක ෂේක් අප් කරලා व्यवस्थाව modify කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා push වෙඩිල්ල මොලේ මෙන්න lifetime රච කරන්න system එක shake up කරලා व्यवस्थाව modify කරලා මේ politics remix කරලා this is our Sikland. Welcome to our sick land, land that's clean and pure. For every problem and disease, you know we have a cure.